Hey everybody, we just did some Sea Patrol toys. Look at this, it's Marshall's boat. And I promised to open up this box and I said it had some more Sea Patrol toys in it. Are you ready to check it out?
Yes, yes.
Alright, let's check this out. I'm gonna open up the box and see what's inside. Here we go. I wonder what it could be. Will we have a Marshall in here? Or a Rubble? Oh, it looks like there's a lot of them. Ooh, let's see what the first one is. Da-da-da-da. Ah, it's Chase. It is the Sea Patrol Chase figurine. And let's see. It says, try me. Oh, looky. It lights up. So he can see in the dark water. Oh, that's so cool. Sea Patrol Chase. And this is his pup pack. And I cannot wait to try that out. And he's got a mission card. Super, super cool. Oh, these are going to be so much fun. And here are some of the other characters. So let's get digging in this box and see what we can find. So far we've got Chase. We've done a video of Chase's boat. And this is his Sea Patrol boat. And you can put the wheels down like this and it transforms. And then you saw the Sea Patrol Marshall vehicle. And it also transforms and his wheels fold down like that. And then you have the Sea Patrol Sky. This is her plane, but when she's ready to go in the water, it goes down like this. And she's ready to land. Or you can fold the wings out and she's ready to fly. So you have to watch the video where we unbox those. What could be next? Who do you think this is? Rocky! It says try me. So let's see. Oh, look at that. His lights up too. This is so cool. Rocky. Now wait a second. Rocky hates getting wet. What's he gonna do on a boat? Poor Rocky. He's gonna get wet, wet, wet. I can't wait to get that open. And Rubble! Rubble on the double. Look at that really cool pup pack. That's a drill. And here is his animated mission card. And Rubble. Let's see what lights up here. Oh, there's his light. And it says, light up Rubble. From the Paw Patrol Sea Patrol. That is one cool looking pup. Who's next? Who do you think it is? Sky. Oh, she's got a cool pup pack. And there is the Sky Sea Patrol figure. And press this button. Ooh, she gets 2 lights. And they're pink. That is really, really neat. These are the first Paw Patrol figures that have lights on them. And it says, light up Sky. And there's her mission card. It shows what mission she needs to go on. We've got 2 more in here. Marshall! He's one of our favorite pups. And his outfit is red and blue. Oh, and he gets 2 lights also. Look at that. And his outfit is red and blue. And there's his mission card. Looks like it has to do with Captain Turbot. Very, very neat. Now, last pup. Do you know who it is? Who's missing? The main water pup, Zuma. Look at that. It's Zuma. He's always loved the ocean And now all the pups get to join him. Oh, and he's got 2 orange lights. And his outfit is orange and blue. Way to go, Zuma. It's time to dive on in. Now I think it's time to dive on in and get these things unboxed. So let's get them out of their boxes and check them out. Alrighty, let's start with Chase. Let's get him out of the box. Here is his mission card. And it looks like he's searching for the whale. And he uses his light to find the whale. Way to go, Chase. See how he uses his light? And then we need to get Chase out. Here is our Chase figurine. And he's got a really awesome uniform on. And his head turns. Now let's get his pup pack out. Here is Chase's pup pack. Look at this thing. It's huge. It's almost as big as Chase's. And it snaps right in there. And then you press the button and it lights up. So he can find the whale down in the dark ocean. What a cool pup. This is so neat. I am loving the Sea Patrol toys. You'll have to let me know which one is your favorite down in the comments. Let me know in the comments which pup is your favorite out of all these Sea Patrols. Now, let's get out Rocky. Here is Rocky. This is Sea Patrol Rocky and his pup pack. We're going to put it on right here. Just turn his head. And it goes on right there. And then you press the button and it lights up so he can see you. Look at that. Where are you? I'm looking. Oh, there you are. I found you. He's got his tools, and this is his jetpack so he can swim under the water. He's ready for the Sea Patrol. Woof, woof. These are awesome. Now it's time for Rubble. Rubble on the double. And he's got his drill. Look at this thing. That is awesome. Hooks it up, and he's ready to drill underwater. All the better to see you with, my dear. So you can see where he's about to drill. Not my finger, Rubble. Oops, sorry. Rubble is really good at drilling. I love this light. Now we've got Sky. So let's get her open up. Here is the Sky Sea Patrol pup and her pack for the Sea Patrol. Let's turn the lights on. I'm loving it. And we'll put her pack on. There we go. She's swimming through the water. And her pack lights up as she goes. Ruff, ruff. This is awesome. She is really, really cool. Here you go, Sky. And we've got Marshall here. He's one of our favorite pups. Here comes Marshall Sea Patrol. And look at this huge pup pack. That thing is humongous. And we're going to put it on him. It may be too heavy for him to carry. And it's on. Oh, wow. Big, strong Marshall. Time for the lights. He's got double lights. And he can see as he's swimming underwater. And there's the back, and the side, and the front. Ruff, ruff. it's time to dive on in. And here we go. Now the last one is over here, and it's Zuma. Let's get Zuma out. Ruff, ruff. Here is Zuma. Zuma Sea Patrol. Turn his head. And here's his pup pack with double lights. Just like Sky and Marshall. It snaps right on. Look at that. That is really, really neat. Now here's a question. Can Marshall wear Zuma's pack? Oh, look at that. He can. That's funny. And can Zuma wear Marshall's? Oh, nope. That one doesn't fit on. But maybe he can wear Rubble's. Rubble on the double. Look at that. Zuma's got Rubble's digger. You would have a lot of fun doing mix and match with these toys. I was so excited to share them with you. Here are all their mission cards. And keep an eye out. We'll do a video with these mission cards and the pup pad. So we'll stick them in the pup pad and it will tell us what the mission is. So we'll do that in another video. But if you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys.